Welcome to Best Pics Lab. The Best ImageCLASS Printer is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any home office or small business, seamlessly combining high-quality printing, efficient scanning, and reliable copying into one compact device, making it a powerhouse for productivity that truly simplifies your daily tasks and document management needs. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Double Zoom Kit. Discover the perfect companion for your photographic journey. This kit is designed for beginner photographers ready to explore their creativity. Equipped with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, it delivers incredibly sharp and vibrant images. You'll capture every moment with impressive clarity and rich color. Record your memories in brilliant Full HD 1080p video. It makes sure your stories come to life with professional-looking quality. With built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, sharing your photos and videos is effortless. Connect it to your smart devices to transfer and upload your masterpieces on the go. Its 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF ensure your subjects are always in crisp focus. This allows you to capture fast-moving action with confidence and precision. This kit comes with two versatile zoom lenses, an 18 to 55 mm for everyday shots and a 75 to 300 mm for distant subjects. They provide flexibility for a wide range of shooting scenarios. Transform it into a high-quality webcam using the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software. This feature enhances your video calls and live streams with superior image quality. What we like. This camera offers a great entry point into DSLR photography with its user-friendly interface and essential features. If you are a beginner photographer looking for a reliable camera to learn the basics and capture everyday moments, this kit provides excellent value. Its built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing your photos effortless. What people say. No positive reviews with product details could be extracted as the source JSON was empty. Please provide product reviews to extract relevant points. Number 4. Canon EOS R5 Mirrorless Camera. This camera boasts a 45 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering phenomenal low-light performance. Expect incredible image clarity and an exceptional level of detail in every shot. Its DigicX image processor offers an ISO range up to 51,200, expandable to 102400x. This powerful engine enables 8K capture, enhances detail, and efficiently reduces noise. Capture fast-moving action with ease. It offers high-speed continuous shooting up to 12 frames per second with its mechanical shutter, or an impressive 20 frames per second using the electronic shutter. Experience superb autofocus with 1053 AF points covering nearly 100% of the area. It tracks people, animals, and vehicles using deep learning, and even features eye control AF for intuitive focus selection. For videographers, it offers stunning 8K RAW and 4K internal recording up to 120 frames per second. All video formats include autofocus, making it a stellar choice for high-resolution video capture. What we like. This powerhouse delivers exceptional image quality and professional video capabilities. If you are a professional content creator or a serious enthusiast demanding top-tier performance for both stills and video, its 8K recording and high-speed shooting will meet your needs. The advanced autofocus system ensures you never miss a shot. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to select the most helpful points. Number 3. Canon RF 85mm F2 Macro IS STM. Introducing a compact medium telephoto lens designed for your EOS R series mirrorless cameras. It's perfect for capturing both distant subjects and intricate close-ups with exceptional clarity. Experience stunning image quality with its bright F2 aperture. This allows for beautiful background blur, making your subjects truly stand out. Explore the world of macro photography with this lens. It offers a maximum magnification of 0.5x and can focus as close as 1.15 feet, revealing incredible detail. Say goodbye to blurry images thanks to its optical image stabilization. It provides up to 5 stops of shake correction, ensuring sharp photos even in challenging conditions. For extreme close-ups, its hybrid IS technology is a game-changer. It effectively compensates for both angular and shift camera shake, crucial for sharp macro shooting. Enjoy seamless control over your settings with the integrated control ring. This feature allows for direct and quick adjustments, enhancing your shooting experience. This versatile lens is fully compatible with Canon full-frame mirrorless cameras, including the EOS RP, EOS R, EOS R5, and EOS R6. It's a perfect addition to your mirrorless kit. What we like. This versatile lens is perfect for capturing stunning portraits with beautiful bokeh and intricate macro shots. If you enjoy close-up photography or want to achieve creamy background blur in your portraits, its bright aperture and macro function are ideal. The optical image stabilization helps keep your shots sharp, even handheld. What people say. Number 2. Canon RF 50mm f1.8 STM lens. Discover the Canon RF 50mm f1.8 STM, a compact and lightweight lens designed for your mirrorless EOS R camera. It's perfect for everyday photography, offering exceptional portability without compromising quality. With its fixed 50mm focal length, this lens is incredibly versatile. Captures stunning portraits, expansive landscapes, and everything in between with ease. Its large f1.8 aperture excels in low-light conditions, letting you shoot vibrant photos even when it's dim. Plus, it creates beautiful, creamy background blur for artistic depth. Equipped with a stepping motor, STM, it delivers smooth and quiet continuous autofocus. This makes it ideal for both video recording and still photography, ensuring your subjects are always sharp. Take direct control with its customizable control ring, allowing for quick setting changes. Optimized lens placement and coatings ensure outstanding color balance, minimizing unwanted ghosting and flare. This lens is fully compatible with the entire EOS R mirrorless system. Simply attach it to your camera and unlock a new level of photographic potential. What we like. This nifty 50 lens is a must-have for its incredible versatility and value. If you are looking for a compact lens that excels in low-light conditions and creates beautiful background blur for portraits, this is an excellent choice. Its quiet autofocus is also perfect for video recording. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, so no product details could be quoted. Number 1. Canon EOS R RF 24-105mm f4-7.1 IS STM lens kit. This kit provides everything you need to start creating. It includes the camera body, a versatile lens, a wide strap, battery, charger, and essential cables. Equipped with a full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic 8 processor, it ensures crisp photos and high-resolution 4K UHD videos. This combination delivers optimal performance and image processing. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF system offers an impressive 5,655 selectable AF points. This allows it to achieve sharp focus in as little as 0.05 seconds, making it easy to capture fast-moving action. Designed to work seamlessly with the included RF 24-105mm IS STM lens, it's also compatible with EF and EFS lenses via optional adapters. The included lens is lightweight and perfect for travel or everyday photography. It features a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, and a dot matrix LCD panel for enhanced control. Plus, its silent electronic shutter is ideal for discreet shooting in quiet environments. What we like. This kit provides a fantastic full-frame mirrorless experience with a highly versatile zoom lens. If you are a vlogger or content creator needing a compact, lightweight setup for diverse shooting scenarios, its wide focal range and 4K video capabilities are perfect. The fast dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures sharp focus for all your content. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.